Welcome to another episode of Weird Beard Fishing, y'all. So, today, gonna go pond hopping up in some little ritzy area up in Columbus. Actually, it's Hilliard. Well, you know what? It's technically Dublin, Hilliard area, whatever. It's a ritzy area. A lot of their ponds are well kept up. They have some cool, different grass, real clear. And as you can see, I'm already at one. This one even has a waterfall. You can see it right behind me. Some pretty cool fish in here. I've already made a video here. I'm gonna go to some of the other ponds. They're in this little neighborhood area. Let's see if we can get anything today. Let's get at it. It's so sunny and hot today. I'm gonna stay in the shade as much as I can. There we go. Little guy. He smacked it though. Man, this is some beautiful crystal clear water. Number one's tiny. Man, he's hot. Boom. Look at that. You can see him go right back. Oh, it must be a trash truck. Oh, maybe it's not a trash truck. Maybe that was somebody just starting up their weekend car. There's another one. Oh, he came off and got me all snagged up in the tree. That ain't cool, dude. He had it, man. I should have set the hook a little harder. Looks like we're gonna have tons of fish interested. At least that's a good thing. I was kind of... Oh, no, I think that's a little fish. He took it though. Another one did. That was quick. Wonder if I should throw my chatterbait to see if there's any bigger fish that are close by. Just throwing it out in that deeper water, and most of the fish are coming up. Even though I'm working this kind of high in the water column, they're coming up to get it. Oh wow, there's even bluegill following it. They follow it all the way in. You know there's probably got to be some monsters in these places. There we go. There's one. Second cast with the chatterbait. This feels like a little guy. Oh, he's kind of come booking it towards me too. Huh. It's actually bigger than the last one. Quite a bit bigger than the last one, actually. Boom. I love ponds like this. Watch this. I bet he swims off from right here. I guess he was a little bit bigger than what I thought, because he made those other ones look tiny. He was just chill about it. No way. As soon as it hit the water, it didn't even... Oh no, it came off. Oh, he came back for it. Oh, he threw it. He came back and got it twice. I mean, as soon as it hit the water, that dude was on it. Seems like everything's good for a good few casts here, and then they know what it is. They're like, yeah, I'm good. All right, so I threw two faster baits, and one was semi-slow. But let's throw slow now. Throw beaver. See, now there's a little deep area. It cuts in right here. You'd think some big bass would be sitting kind of out in the middle of it, especially on a sunny day like this. And the wind's blowing everything kind of into this little dip. There we go. A little bit better one. Yeah, that's definitely a little bit better one. There we go. Boom. That water is so hot already. Super, super hot. I can't even believe it, kind of hot. Definitely feels like that water's already, the water is actually warmer than the air. I knew there would be a fish up in that. There's like a little slot. You can see a dark slot where water comes from some, like everybody's gutters, and then comes into the pond. And it carves out a path out of that grass. That grass is actually probably like 2 to 3 foot thick. Oh, there goes another one, got it. There's a little guy. Couldn't even get the whole fluke in his mouth. But yeah, this will probably work pretty good at the big pond. That was quick. Second cast. Fluke in the summer, hard to beat in grassy ponds. And he's off. Went right into that drain. Just working that thing across the top of the weeds and bam. That's what I love about the fluke, is it just goes right through all of these weeds. For the most part, unless there's giant clumps. Sometimes it's the only way to find active fish too. Work it quick across the top of those weeds. Bam. Oh, bluegill coming for it. Don't need you. Just all you'll do is take off my tail. That was a bass burrowing a tunnel through the grass, and he was a pretty good sized fish. I don't know where he went. It makes me wonder if all these holes in the grass are stuff that bass made. And I already see some bass running around. That is a good sign. Boop-de-booty-booty-boo. Stay back here in the shade though, that way they can't see me. There we go. Come on, get up out of that grass. I'm trying not to get too close because there's a whole bunch of them out there. He got himself all in the grass. Come on, dude. Give me 2 seconds and I'll get you off. Ooh, I hooked you right in the tongue. Sorry, bud. Boop. And you came right off. Ow. Had to throw him a little farther out. There's a whole bunch of grass there. There's a whole bunch of fish that were following this thing in. I love being able to fish in clear places like this. Got like 3 or 4 of them looking at it. They're just not committing. Ooh. Oh, I almost had that. Just didn't have it all in its mouth. They went straight after this thing though. Keys thrown past them, working it back to me, I guess. Oh, really? You even took the drag, you little sucker. There we go. Finally got one. Get up. Up here on the waterfall. Look at that. It's not a half bad fish either. I mean, it ain't no tank. Good, bud.